Are you thinking how to fix your grammatical errors while speaking English? Though you can speak English well, but then if you make mistakes, it falls a bad impression to the listeners. For example, people often say he made a world record, which is an incorrect sentence. So the correct sentence is he set a world record. This is how people unintentionally do mistakes. Oh, how to avoid making grammatical mistakes in English? Well, you can relax. In our video, we will learn some miscellaneous mistakes that people often do while speaking. Now, you may be thinking that how will I start? Yes, just keep your worries aside and join us for a good way to start speaking English. We are there for you. Just give wings to your thoughts. Yes, you are with RS English Education, where we think for you and care for you. In this video, we will learn to use correct degree of comparison in our regular sentences. So watch the video carefully and learn to avoid mistakes while speaking. Let's get started. The first sentence is, I do not like these kind of books, where these and those used in place of plural count. This is a wrong sentence and the correct is, I do not like this kind of books or books of this kind. Number 2. I do not like these sort of people. As similar as the previous one, I do not like this sort of people or people of this sort. Number 3 is iron is more useful than any metal. A comparison is made between iron and all other metals. So this is a wrong sentence. The correct sentence will be iron is more useful than any other metal. Number 4. Mohan is cleverer than any student. It's a complete wrong sentence. Here, the comparison is between Mohan and all other students in the class. So the correct sentence will be Mohan is cleverer than any other student. Number 5. I have read the 2 first chapters of this book. It's a complete wrong sentence. People often do mistake here. The correct sentence will be I have read the first 2 chapters of this book. Number 6. Ravi is my older brother. Older is used when we talk about the age of a person. So, the correct sentence will be Ravi is my elder brother. Elder brother means the big brother. Number 7. He is elder than Shabir. Elder is wrongly placed here. Comparison is between the age of his and Shabir. So, he is older than Shabir. Number 8. No less than 40 soldiers were killed. Less denote quantity and fewer denote number. So the correct sentence will be no fewer than 40 soldiers were killed. Number 9. Health is more preferable than wealth. Prefer is a verb and preferable is an adjective. Preferable is the adjective form of the verb which always goes with the preposition to. So the correct sentence is health is more preferable to wealth. Number 10. Both boys have not come. The word neither is preceded by a count noun, rather both. So the correct sentence will be neither boy has come. Last, the bonus sentence for you viewers. Her all books were stolen. How can we say this correctly? Yes, all her books were stolen. To sum up, I would just like to say, now make sure that you are not going to repeat the wrong sentences anymore. All the best, guys.